In today's video, we're going to build an advanced calculator using Python. First, we create a function called calculator, which takes three parameters, a, b, and op. This function performs different mathematical operations based on the operation we provide. If the operation is add, it returns the sum of the two numbers. If it's subtract, it returns the difference. If it's multiply, it returns the product. If it's divide, it divides the first number by the second, but checks to avoid division by 0. If it's modulus, it returns the remainder, again checking for division by 0. If it's power, it raises the first number to the power of the second. If the operation doesn't match any valid option, the function returns invalid operation. Next, we create get_number, which takes one parameter, prompt. This function safely gets numeric input from the user. We use a while loop to keep asking until the user enters a valid number. Inside a try block, we convert the input to a float. If it's valid, the function returns the number. If an error occurs, the except block catches the value error and asks the user to enter a valid number again. After that, we create get_operation. This function safely gets a valid operation from the user. We first create a list called operations that contains all supported operations. Then we use a while loop to keep asking until the user enters a valid operation. The input is converted to lowercase using lower. If the entered operation exists in the operations list, the function returns it. Otherwise, it prints an error message and asks again. Next, we write the main program loop. First, we check if the file is being run directly using. Then we print a welcome message for the advanced calculator. We use a while loop so the calculator can run continuously. Inside the loop, call get_number to get the first and second numbers from the user. Call get_operation to get the desired mathematical operation. Pass the numbers and operation to the calculator function to perform the calculation. Print the final result on the screen. Ask the user if they want to calculate again. If the user enters yes, the loop continues. Otherwise, the program prints a goodbye message and exits. When we run the code, it displays the welcome message. It asks for the first number, we input 10. Next, it asks for the second number, we input 20. Then, it asks which operation to perform, we select add. The calculator instantly shows 30.0. It asks if we want to calculate again, we input yes. Next, it asks for the first number, we input 40. Then, it asks for the second number, we input 20. We select subtract as the operation. The calculator shows 20.0. It asks if we want to continue, we input yes. Next, it asks for the first number, we input 50. Then, it asks for the second number, we input 2. We select power as the operation. The calculator shows 2500.0. Finally, it asks if we want to continue, we input no. The program ends with a friendly goodbye, thanks for using the calculator. Level up your coding. Like, comment, share, and follow Codex People for more Python tricks.